And Meatballs got an ice cream truck by Swannton Records.
Meatballs got an ice cream truck and he wants the fuck. Little Billy gets away, he's got a lot of love. Even if he doesn't kick, Meatball will never be charged with rape. Meatball got an ice cream truck and he wants the fuck. Little Billy, don't you cry, please, or I'll put you in a soundproof chamber to freeze. Meatball got an ice cream truck and he wants the fuck. Searching for that place to get his drunk on stuff. He's selling rocket pops, choco tacos and hand jobs in a box. Meatball got an ice cream truck and he wants the fuck. Little Timmy, don't you cry, please, or I'll put you in a soundproof chamber to freeze. If you see Meatball, tell him I want my Billy back and his cornet sack. And when he comes around, I swear I'll buy your latest crown with a rusty umbrella given to me by Rihanna. Meatball got an ice cream truck and he wants the buck. Searching for that place to give his crowd some stuff. He's selling rocket pops, choco tacos and hand jobs in a box. Meatball got an ice cream truck and he wants the buck.